Ino niyo biceri iriku thibitari-ini wa Embu level 5 kuria thibitari uyu ugumirwo ni muthianiro wa aruaru kurumirira namba nene ya andu aria makoretwo magietha motungata morigitani. Thibitari uyu nduri wakorwo na namba nene ya aruaru no kwa ihinda riri thibitari uyu ni ugumirwo ni uritu uyu ni undu wa gutharara kwa motungata morigitani kaunti-ini ya Kigiriko thutha wa mugomo wa arigitani uria umuthi uingirire thiku ya 61.
It has forced us to just accept the patients from there, and remember we cannot tell them to go back to Kirinyaga to bring medicine.
Kurumirira mugomo uyu riu muingi wa Kirinyaga uracungiririe gwetha motungata mathibitari-ini ma kaunti ya Embu na Nyeri undu uria ucungiririe muthianiro uyu na kurehe moritu maingi.
We are completely constrained, and so the help that we are seeking is not just in medicine. We are also seeking help for food, because everything here, every resource here has been overstretched.
Gukirioguo Minister wa ugima wa mwiri kaunti ya Embu Joan Mwende ni oritie thirikari nene na honge itari cia githirikari kuingirira na gwetha kihonia kia na ihenya maundu matanahitana makiria.
We need to also have a policy shift. We need to review the policy so that if a neighboring county is facing crisis, is facing challenges, facing strike, then resource sharing, I think, is a good thing.
Omwe wogwati uria kaunti ya Embu ngetheirwo niguo ni guthirirwo ni dawa no ritana riria Embu ikitie kuri kaunti ya Kirinyaga ni kunanira njung'wa na arigitani ao niguo kumahuthiria murigo. Handu-ini ha metha ya mohoro ya Kameme TV njitagwo Mwangi wa Wambui.